We're trying to protect Deadman's Island from further erosion so future generations can enjoy the area.
Hey, Heather.
Morning, David.
How are you? Good morning.
So these are the new ecosystems you have, right?
Yes.
I like them.
So what's going on out here now?
Well, I'm really excited. This is our phase 2 of our shoreline stabilization. We're actually bringing in 116,000 cubic yards of sand. We have a barrier. You'll see the barrier that we innovated. And your ecosystems are helping protect the area from wave impact. So I'm excited. I hope we can get more of your ecosystems around the entire footprint where we need to protect the rest of Deadman's Island.
Wow. Well, I'm excited about that. Are you getting any growth on these out here?
I am. We're getting quite a bit of spat and oyster growth. And you know what? We have a lot invested in this project. We have a lot of granting agencies who are depending on the success of this project, and your ecosystems is really going to help with that success. I'm confident in that.
They were trying to do anything they can to stabilize the shoreline here, and we have just the product that they needed, and we're going to install it today. Let's get the guys together and get this job done because the wind's picking up, okay?
No problem. We're ready.
All right.